Hi, Ashley here, and today I'm going to show you how to make bulk substrate for your mushroom grow. The first thing that you need is 500 grams of Coco Coir. Each brick of Coco Coir is 250 grams, so I'm going to use 2 bricks. And I'm going to set them in the bottom of my 5-gallon bucket. Next, you will need 8.5 cups of vermiculite. I use the finest vermiculite that I can. I feel like it gives me the best yield. I have pre-measured, so I'm just going to dump this into my 5-gallon bucket. After that, you will need to boil 21 cups of water. Once the water has come to a boil, you will add the gypsum into the water and then add the boiling water into your 5-gallon bucket. Once you add the water, you will close the container with a lid, wait about an hour, open the lid, and then mix it up. Then wait about 24 hours, and the next day that your bulk substrate should be ready. So once your water comes to a complete boil, and it may not look like it, but it's boiling from the bottom, you're going to add the 1 cup of gypsum. So we're just going to kind of add this, and it's going to make the water kind of turn white. And I just do a quick stir. The gypsum may stick to the bottom, so you want to try to make sure that it mixes in with the water. And this is going to make for the best yield in your bulk substrate. Then I go ahead and let that come back to a boil, and I will dump it into my 5-gallon bucket. And it's starting to look like it's boiling again. You can kind of see it, there it comes. Okay, and now we are ready to dump it into my 5-gallon bucket. Here we go. And it's gonna grow the Coco Coir and the vermiculite. And some of the gypsum did stay at the bottom of the pot, but that's okay. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and just put my lid on it and let it sit for 1 hour. Don't shake it or anything, because if you shake it, it could cause combustion and the lid may pop off. So after an hour, I will take this off and mix it up and then put the lid back on and wait 24 hours, and my bulk substrate should be ready. Okay, so it has been 1 hour. So I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off of my bulk substrate, and I have tried to keep it insulated with this towel as much as I can, and I'm going to start to mix it up. And the Coco Coir is all the way at the bottom, so I want to make sure I get everything in there. Alright, I have let it cool down a little bit so that I can actually mix it. It was just really hot before. So now I'm just going to hand mix it and make sure that we get all of the Coco Coir from the bottom mixed in with the vermiculite. Whew, it's still super hot. Alright, that is pretty good. Mixed it pretty well in there, so I'm going to go ahead and put on the lid and let it sit and cook and pasteurize overnight. Okay, so it has been 24 hours, and I'm going to go ahead and pick her up. See how she is. Quite a bit of condensation in there. So, mix her up, see how it is. Seems like it's pretty well mixed in. to. It was too hot when we yesterday. Yeah, this seems really good. We'll look at our field capacity and see. So when I hold it in my hand here, it shouldn't drip or anything. But when I squeeze, I should be able to get a few drops. I do. And if I really squeeze, I should be able to get a stream, which I do. So this should be good to go to add my spawn bags to the bulk substrate, which I'm going to be doing next. I'm going to be adding the bulk substrate and my spawn bags to my monotubs here in a few days. Thanks for watching.